guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove connected Google account from Reddit. So let's jump right in. First of all, open your application by tapping on Reddit. Now after your interface is loaded, tap on your profile section. Now simply tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Tap on settings. Now at the first there is general. Tap on account settings for your account. Now here scroll down a bit on connected accounts. Here is a Google account that is connected. So if you want to disconnect it, simply tap on the disconnect icon and tap on continue to confirm your decision. To disconnect your Google account, you need to create a Reddit password first. So make sure that you have already created Reddit's password and you know the password. So after that, simply tap on continue. If you haven't created your Reddit password, there will be an email sent to your email address and you need to tap on that link to create your password. Simply tap on OK, and after that you may come back to this step and simply tap on continue and you will be disconnected from your Google account. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.